Walk him down. Don't lose line on him. Gain line on him. Oh! Barvis, he just finally shook it. What'll happen is, we played so long. Gosh!
A couple years ago, I was heading out to a conference in Northern California, and a friend of mine asked me if I wanted to leave a day early so we could go fly fishing. He had found this spot where we could possibly catch some steelhead trout. Steelheads, or as we like to call them, steelies, can weigh up to 55 pounds, making it the largest trout. So I said, of course, I'm in.
In 800 feet.
Bogus? All right. Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. I'm Bogus.
Hey, Clay.
Hi, Clay.
Hey, Dave.
Hi, Dave.
I'm Josh.
Hi, Josh.
Hey, Bogus.
Hi.
How you doing?
Follow me in.
All right.
5.
Great. Dude, I'm thinking about Chrome.
Dave, also known as Big Wave Dave, was the conspirator of the trip.
What are we doing today?
Steelies, bro.
This is Josh, aka Catch and Release. You'll find out later why.
Connor, you catching the steely?
I'm gonna catch 4 steelies today.
And then there's Connor, the most inexperienced fisherman. We'll call him moral support. Oh, and then there's yours truly, fisherman extraordinaire.
I feel like that's gonna be me all day right there.
Of tree limbs.
Hanging out with Bogus. Tell me about this thing.
Bogus over here.
Hey, hi.
Can't forget about Bogus, aka, well, Bogus, one of our guides for the day.
Weir is a boundary for catch and release. It's less
And our other guide, Norm, aka,
him down. Don't lose line on him. Gain line on him.
that about sums it up. So we go out on this river and start to fish. Dave was the first to get a bite.
Keep going, Dave. You got him. Jump up. Let go of the rod. Good. Let go of the reel. Don't drop the reel.
Oh yeah.
Okay, walk forward. Walk forward. Down the walk. The rod's in the when you handle a trout.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
It was no steely, but with one rainbow caught, we were feeling pretty optimistic. But time goes by, I haven't had a bite, Connor and Josh haven't caught anything, but then...
Yeah, you totally freaking him out, Norm.
That's the idea. Get him tired.
It's like a dance.
So a monster fish.
Could this monster fish be the steely we were looking for?
Oh! It's all good, dude. Hey, it's all good. It's Barvis. He just finally shook it. What'll happen is, we played so long. My gosh!
Well, we'll never know.
You did great. You play him so long, it works a bigger hole. The longer you play him, the bigger that hole gets. How big was it?
Really this?
That is...
Broke him off.
Dude, I am so...
That's a close.
I might not.
Back in North Carolina, I went with the same group of guys out to the mountains to try my hand at some more fly fishing. Dave caught one,
You want a picture?
Josh caught one, and even Connor caught one.
Fish on, dude.
Steelhead.
That is the steely if I've ever seen one.
To this day, I am still the only one in the group who has not caught a fish fly fishing. So the saga continues.
There's dirt on my hands.
Boys, let's get out there again soon.